What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this super quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can collect EMF generators and Micro-Sandwich Fabric really quickly. These, while considered rare-ish items in the game, are actually one of the most abundant rare resources that you can go out looking for. What you need to do to collect yourself some is travel either by foot or vehicle to any one of these orange or cave locations on the map. Every single one of these, from the starting area to the mid-tier, the higher tier, and even the end tier, gives you the same materials: Micro-Sandwich Fabric and EMF generators. If you haven't already traveled the entire map, head across to maps.tcno.co, my map website, click None, and make sure to look out for the cave icons. You can click None, choose Cave, and you'll see only cave locations on the map, even if you haven't been to them and discovered them. They are just about everywhere. Click for more info. Some of these contain extra loot and things like that, and of course you'll see info about them here. So heading to this cave, for example, you'll find that the entrance is sealed off with this material here. This is a water seal. Use any kind of melee weapon like a sword, dagger, or anything like that to chomp your way in, and you'll receive your first Micro-Sandwich Fabric. Heading inside, you'll usually find bodies that you can loot, boxes, and things like that, as well as some minor enemy reinforcements to protect the place. Heading in here, for example, we find another entrance which we can swipe through, and this takes us into the looting area. In here, there's a small chest with 4 generators and 4 fabric, as well as 200 Solari. Usually these chests are a little bit hidden, so you'll need to make your way around, and for example, here's a large chest which also contains 5 generators and 17 Micro-Sandwich Fabric, which is a huge amount. Not to mention right over here, another one. We'll grab this. It gives us another 2 and 5. Now this area is obviously quite a bit hotter, so I'm cooking in there, but in the early caves, you won't see much defense, both from AI or from natural things like heat, fire, etc. It's usually a very relaxed experience. Some caves are much larger than others, some have only one entrance, others have multiple, but yeah, that's pretty much that. Once you head through just a single cave, you'll usually walk out with quite a bit. In this case, I picked up 11 EMF generators and 28 Micro-Sandwich Fabric. Not bad, considering just how many caves there are across each area of the map in each difficulty. It's one of the most easy to collect resources as long as you adventure around and visit a couple of different caves. Not to mention they're pretty light, so you can usually carry quite a bit. Now, while you can technically find it in lootable chests inside of outposts and things like that, you're usually going to find a little bit less than you do inside of any cave. And with that, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.